I'm about to show you how to convert any basic song into a high-quality video. Channels like these are getting millions of views with AI songs, and you won't believe how easy it is to make an AI music video, like this example that you are currently looking at.
We had all the time in the world. Now I watch the memories glow. A little crack appeared one day, and we just let the water in. We were a masterpiece we didn't frame, a perfect fire left out in the rain.
Most people think that creating AI-generated music video is not possible. You only need one AI tool for this whole process, and that's what you are going to learn today. The magic tool I'm going to use today is called AI Video. This is an all-in-one AI tool with a music generator, an AI video generator, and all the other AI features with the latest models. And you don't have to jump around several AI tools, we are going to only use this one. If you take a look at this specific channel, they have generated music related to several genres. As our first example, I'm going to make a song with a 90s vibe. So let's first go to this music generator option. Here, you need to enter the prompt. It's not a big deal, just explain the song you want with correct details. What I did was, I went to ChatGPT and asked it generate 3 different prompt ideas to make songs with a 90s vibe. So, I'm going to use this first prompt, which is, create an upbeat 1980s synth pop song with warm analog synths, punchy electronic drums, and a catchy melodic bass line. The mood should feel nostalgic, hopeful, and energetic, like cruising through a neon-lit city at night. Add bright arpeggiators, simple but emotional chord progressions, and a memorable chorus. Vocals should be smooth and expressive, with light reverb and classic 80s production style. I have no idea about half of these fancy words, however, I trust ChatGPT. Now I'm going to select the duration time of this song as 60 seconds. Then I'm going to make 2 different outputs so that I can check which one is better. And let's generate our songs. Okay, as you can see here, 2 songs are generated.
Another day is closing down, the city starts to breathe. Chasing lines of colored light, just you and me. Streetlights blurring into one long streak. The city's heartbeat matches our own beat. Got the window down, a cool night on the cheap.
I think the first video is actually better than the second one. The next step is to create a video for this song. For that, I'm going to go to this music video feature. Okay, now here you can either select the song that you created, or you can upload the song. And then you will come to this page. Here, you need to select the whole duration of your song, like this. Then we have several video templates. Here we have image slideshows, looping videos, visualizer style, and more. What we need is this Pro template. Then I'm going to select horizontal orientation. Now this is the most important part, which is selecting a suitable AI video model. This tool has all the latest AI models. My favorite AI model is Kling 2.5 Turbo, so I'm going to go with it. I'm going to set the animation quality to high. And here, you can find a little description about the music video. And I'm going to enable this lip sync feature as well. We can also add captions to the song, but I don't think it's necessary, so let's go with no captions. And finally, we have these cool styles for visuals. These styles are very unique and specifically made for song videos. From these styles, let's go with this retro style. And I'm going to try these other styles later. Everything is set, let's generate the video. It took several minutes, and the video is completed. Let's take a look at it.
Another day is closing down, the city starts to breathe. Chasing lines of colored light, just you and me. Oh, we're alive in the neon glow, racing through the night with the synthwave on the radio. Everything's alright. Shadows dance in the deadman slick, a future in in your eyes. This moment here, it feels so quick under electric skies.
That looks absolutely amazing. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be this good. The lip syncing part is also accurate, and this unique style is what I love the most. The crazy thing is, it only took me several clicks to make this. As you can see here, we have this editing dashboard, where we can edit and see all the clips and other elements that have been used for the creation of this video. So, if you want to edit or remove any part from this video, you can easily do that. I can't wait to try another video style. So, what I did was, just like before, I generated a rock song. And when it comes to creating the video, I used a different template. Instead of the retro gaming template, I went with this unique black and white style. And let's see the music video for my second song.
Woke up this morning with the thunder in my head. World keeps on turning, don't care what they said. Got a one-way ticket and my worn leather shoes. Yeah, I'm playing for keeps and I was born to never lose. Running on gasoline and sheer diesel. Yeah, we're gonna set this whole damn world on fire. You draw the battle lines and try to tame the flame.
Okay, I don't like this template much, but it's good and unique. But it's not a good for rock genre. We tried vintage and rock songs. Now I'm gonna try a modern song, similar to Taylor Swift songs. Just like before, I used ChatGPT to generate prompts for this specific song. And let's generate the video as well. The video style I'm going to be using is this one, which is cinematic realism. And let's see the final result.
To a song we didn't know. Felt like we had all the time in the world. Now I watch the memories glow. A little crack appeared one day, and we just let the water in. We were a masterpiece we didn't frame, a perfect fire left out in the rain. And now I'm just a ghost inside your name. Yeah, we were beautiful, beautiful pain. You started sleeping on the other side. The space between us grew a foot or two. I didn't even notice till good night that came, just something that we had to do. We were beautiful, beautiful pain.
That's how you can create Hollywood-quality music videos with just one AI tool. And if you are planning to use this AI, you can use the link in the description and use this promo code to get 20% discount. With that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.